Alright, we're going to get to our last step with our mBot, which is perhaps the most difficult. And that's going to be wiring all our different connections. And so we've got two different Ethernet connections here. We've got two JST connections. And then on our batteries, we have our barrel jack connecting our batteries. And so it's a little complicated to figure out how all these go, but we want to make sure we do it right. So we're going to take our N-block kit. And what we're going to start by is we're going to start by looking at this power port in the back. And we're going to plug our battery in first. And the reason we're going to do that is because then we can go to this on switch on the side. I'll let that focus. We can go to this on switch on the side, and when we turn that on, we should see it light up. And so all these lights are turning on, which shows us we are properly connected with our batteries, and so nothing's wrong with our batteries. And so we'll start with that connected. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. Then we're going to move on to the motors. And so the motors are on the left side where it says M1 and M2. We want our left motor to be on our first one, so M1. And these you have to flip them around and just kind of slide them in, just like that. And then slide in the next ones right behind it. Alright, we got both of those in there. And then what we want to do is we want to put our ultrasonic sensor. So that's going to be this sensor. It kind of looks like two eyes right in the front. We want to put that on our third pin. So that'll go right on the 3. So that'll go kind of on the right side of our robot. And then we'll finish by taking our bottom sensor. This is going to be our little IR sensor at the bottom, and we're going to plug that into 2. So now we've got this kind of mess of wires. We can put this back right on top of here, and we can use our screwdriver to start putting in our little bolts right at the bottom to sort of make sure this connection stays all nice and perfect. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.